Hi and welcome to Excursion Market, where we explore the most amazing places in the world. Today, we are going to show you the best places to visit in Antalya Old City, a charming and historical district in the heart of Antalya, a beautiful city in Turkey that is famous for its natural wonders and cultural heritage. Antalya Old City, also known as Kaleiçi, is a maze of narrow streets, colorful houses, ancient monuments, and lively shops and cafes. It is a place where you can feel the spirit and history of Antalya and enjoy its stunning scenery and atmosphere. Let's get started. 1. Hadrian's Gate. Our first stop is Hadrian's Gate, one of the oldest and most important sites in Antalya Old City. The gate was built in the year 130 in honor of the Roman Emperor Hadrian, who visited Antalya during his travels. The gate is the only remaining entrance to the walls that surrounded the city in ancient times. It consists of 3 arches, decorated with marble columns and reliefs. The gate is a symbol of Antalya's rich and diverse history, as it reflects the influences of Roman, Byzantine, Seljuk, and Ottoman civilizations. You can walk through the gate and admire its architecture, or take a photo with the gate as a backdrop. 2. Yivli Minaret Mosque. Next, we head to Yivli Minaret Mosque, the landmark of Antalya Old City. The mosque is located next to the gate, and it is the oldest and most famous mosque in Antalya. It was built in the 13th century by the Seljuk Sultan Alaaddin Keykubat. The mosque is named after its minaret, which has 8 fluted sections resembling a finger. The minaret is 38 meters high, and it is visible from almost anywhere in the city. The mosque has a simple and elegant design, with a domed roof, a wooden pulpit, and a mihrab. You can visit the mosque and observe the prayer times, or just admire its beauty and tranquility. 3. Sunainen Kıraç Kaleiçi. Museum. Our third destination is Sunainen Kıraç Kaleiçi Museum, a cultural and historical museum in Antalya Old City. The museum is located in a restored 19th century house, which was once the residence of a wealthy merchant family. The museum displays the traditional lifestyle, customs, and arts of Antalya, as well as the archaeological and ethnographic artifacts from the region. You can see the rooms decorated with antique furniture, carpets, paintings, and ceramics, as well as the courtyard with a fountain and a garden. You can also learn about the history and culture of Antalya from the ancient times to the modern era. 4. Tekeli Mehmet Pasha Mosque. Our fourth spot is Tekeli Mehmet Pasha Mosque, a beautiful and historic mosque in Antalya Old City. The mosque was built in the 18th century by Tekeli Mehmet Pasha, a governor and a commander of Antalya. The mosque is a fine example of Ottoman architecture, with a square plan, a single dome, and a minaret. The mosque is decorated with tiles, calligraphy, and paintings, and it has a wooden ceiling and a marble mihrab. The mosque is also known for its acoustics, as the sound of the prayer can be heard clearly from every corner of the building. 5. Karaalioglu Park. Our fifth and final place to visit in Antalya Old City is Karaalioglu Park, a large and green park near the marina. The park is a popular spot for locals and tourists who come to relax, enjoy the view, and have fun. The park has many attractions, such as a playground, a mini zoo, a mini golf course, a cactus garden, and a Roman theatre. You can also see the Hidirlik Tower, a Roman watchtower, and the fluted minaret, a Seljuk minaret, from the park. The park is also a great place to watch the sunset as the sky and the sea turn into different shades of orange and pink. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the best places to visit in Antalya Old City. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.